Welcome, this is Carrie Schell from On Point Quilter. In 2018, I created a quilt for a blog post that I entitled Ghost Parade. The tutorial covered drafting a foundation-friendly ghost block and placing and resizing that basic ghost block in a custom set layout. Nancy Witte, a member of my Techno Quilters membership program, provided me the inspiration for this quilt. Now that we're in a pandemic, I realized that if my ghosts wanted to go trick-or-treating, they would probably need to wear masks. In this tutorial, I will cover how to modify the original quilt to add masks and update fabrics. I have opened my original Ghost Parade project. View the project sketchbook. On the Quilts tab, I will select my original quilt and select Edit. You can see the quilt that was designed in my previous blog post. Select Block Tools. Under Set Block, you can see the original ghost block. Go ahead and right-click on the block and select Edit Block. Select the Line tool and draw a horizontal line at 3.5 inches. Select the Color tab and with the paintbrush, color the mask with a contrasting color and add it to the project sketchbook. Select the quilt work table and now under Set Block, select the ghost with the mask and click on each of the ghost blocks. Note that the new block resizes to the size of the previous block that was in the quilt. Now let's add some new fabrics. Under Fabric Tools, select Open Library. The fabric that I decided I wanted to work with was in the 2020 Download 01 Stash collection from Electric Quilt. And I decided to use the Riley Blake Hocus Pocus fabric collection. So I'm going to navigate to that, select one of the fabrics, then select all fabrics and add to sketchbook and close. Select Swap Color and use new fabrics for the background and the borders. Select the paintbrush and use additional Halloween related fabrics for each of the masks. Use the Fussy Cut tool and drag the fabric to reposition it to better showcase each of the fabrics. I will speed up the video of coloring and positioning the remaining masks. I will hide show quilt patch lines and then select Add to Project Sketchbook. For additional tips and techniques, please subscribe to my weekly newsletter at www.onpointquilter.com.